Hey, what is going on, guys? So I have a Samsung Galaxy Note 9 here. I'm going to do a simple unboxing. I'll also do a slight comparison with the Note 9 versus the Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus versus the Note 8 versus the Samsung Galaxy S9. Now I did pre-order this Note 9, and because I pre-ordered it, I did get a free pair of headphones, AKG noise canceling headphones, which absolutely rock. Now inside this box they should have AKG earphones as well, but we'll take a look in one moment. Okay, so first here's the box here. You can see the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 logo there. You can see the back over here as well. So let's go ahead and open this up. So right out of the box, so we have here the ejection tool to take out the SIM tray as well as the SD card tray. Take note that the max SD card size is 512 gigabytes, same as the Note 8. And inside here, we have a welcome start guide here and some other pamphlets as well. And here is the phone itself. Let me go ahead and take this off of here. And again, this color I got is ocean blue. And let's go ahead and fire this up right now. And looking at the back here, and I'll compare it to the Note 8 here. You can see the positioning of the lens here, and you can see the fingerprint scanner is actually below the lens here. On the Note 8, it was actually on the side. And I'll put this to the side here. We can also look up here. We can see the tray slot for the SIM card as well as the SD card. And on the bottom here, it looks exactly the same. Let me go ahead and pull out the stylus here. So here's the stylus for the Note 9, and here's the stylus for the Note 8. Looks exactly the same here, just a different color. And right out of the box, powering it up, it gave me 58% juice. Let me just lay this down flat here. So we have the Note 9, the Note 8, the S8 Plus, and the S9. And you can see the size comparison between all of them here. And we'll see what else comes in the box here. I have my SIM card here, which I don't need from T-Mobile because I'm in the USA. We have your quick charge wall adapter here. You have your OTG cable here, and you plug that into your phone. It's a USB Type-C right into the Note 9, and then back here you have a USB port. And we have a USB Type-C charging cable right here, and yep, we do have the AKG earbuds, which absolutely rock. Definitely a lot better than the iPhone earbuds. And we got some clamps and some extra rubber earpieces as well. Now you do have wireless charging on here, the same as the previous Note 8 as well. Give that a second to pop on. And you can see it's charging. This Note 9 also comes with a 4,000 milliamp battery, opposed to the Note 8, which has a 3,300 milliamp battery. And of course, both of the phones are IP68 dust and waterproof. So basically they say you can put this in water up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. That goes for both of them, the Note 9 as well as the Note 8. Well, there you go. Very simple unboxing here. Here's the Note 9 versus the Note 8 again. You can see the back here. And we'll go to the front here. And that's pretty much it. Guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.